Hi, my name's Michael, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to configure a webhook in EAP. Webhooks are a great way of notifying another application of changes that have happened in your EAP account. So I've logged into a testing service provider, and we're just going to go up to the Manage menu and scroll down until we find Webhooks. So as you can see, we've got currently three predefined webhook options: system communications, comment statuses, and carrier callbacks. Today I'm going to show you a status. So if we go to the right hand side, we can click configure a webhook. In the event drop down, this will be pre-populated with events that have already been set up on your EAP account. We're going to check info, and then all you do here is just enter the URL you want the information sent to. I'll set up a test URL, then let's click submit, and you'll see your new webhook trigger set up. A couple of options: edit if you just want to change anything, and delete if you want to remove that URL. So what I'll do now to trigger this status webhook is I'll go to a test client, the client overview page. I'm just going to scroll down and add a comment. And in the status, we'll choose info. Let's add a little bit more information here. And then submit. So this has added our comment down here, and it could be and what we'll see, let's go up here to this URL I've set up, and there we go. You can see the information sent through from when a comment status action of info has been triggered. That easy. If you want more information about the different webhooks and setting them up, you can go to our support page and have a read through all the technical documentation there. But if you've got any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and we'll be right here to help you. Thank you very much.